How to log into the Myplace participant portal. This video is a step-by-step guide of how you can log into the Myplace participant portal. There are 5 simple steps to log into Myplace and access your information. Step 1. You'll need a myGov account to sign into Myplace. If you already have a myGov account for other government services, such as Medicare or Centrelink, you can use the same myGov account for the NDIS. You will also need a one-off activation code from the National Disability Insurance Agency to link your myGov account to Myplace. After you have linked myGov to Myplace, you will only use your myGov sign-on to access Myplace each time you log on. Go to my.gov.au for more information. Step 2. You can access the Myplace participant portal via the NDIS website or via the myGov website. If you're logging in via the NDIS website, go to www.ndis.gov.au. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see a drop-down box labelled Portal Sign-In. Click on this drop-down box and select Myplace Participant Portal. Step 3. This will then take you to the sign-in page, where you can input your myGov username, email or mobile number and password, and then select Sign In. Depending on your myGov preferences, you'll need to answer secret questions, enter a unique security code or a myGov PIN. You then select the Next button. Step 4. The Myplace participant portal displays once you have signed in. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see a box that says Acting As, and then a box next to that which will state either Myself if you are a participant, or if you're a child representative or nominee, you can select the name of the participant who you are acting on behalf of. Once you've finished in the Myplace participant portal, go to the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Log Out. You can find more information and tools about accessing the Myplace participant portal at www.ndis.gov.au/participants.